Let's go over embouchure and sound production on the oboe. So for embouchure, you'll want to roll your lips over your upper teeth and over your lower teeth. The reed gets placed into the upper lip, and the bottom lip is sort of like a cushion for the reed. So you're rolling your lips over your teeth. The reed is going more into the upper lip, bottom lip is a cushion. You'll want to squeeze your corners together and try to get your chin to be flat and pointy. So for the reed, you'll want to make sure that the reed has been soaked for about at least 2 minutes. If it's a new reed, or if you haven't played it for a really long time, you'll want to soak the reed for maybe about 5 minutes. For soaking the reed, you'll want to get any sort of little cup and fill the cup partway with fresh water. You want the water to go maybe part way up the thread. You don't want the water to get onto the cork, but just make sure that there's enough water to wet the reed. Oh, and for sound production, so make sure the reed is wet. You can test the reed by itself first by just blowing all the way. You can blow all the way up to the thread. Your lips can come there just to test the reed. Make sure it's vibrating. When you go to play on the reed, you'll only want to play about halfway down the reed. So closer to the tip. You do not want your lips to go all the way to the thread. That will produce a very honky sound. So make sure you're playing with just about half the reed. So when you play the oboe, think about the oboe being all about air. So when you play the oboe, you want to use lots of air and fast air. You want to fill up all of your lungs with air from the bottom up. And then you'll want to squeeze from your belly button, squeezing the air out to create that fast pressure. So on the oboe, it will sound like this, and you're squeezing, pressing the air out from your belly button. And keep pressing as you play the note. The air and the sound should be constantly moving somewhere.